Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Welcome back. We're again live streaming on a Friday. Yesterday, I've not done the best trading. I realized what is my main mistake. Let me see. What is my YouTube channels? Everyone. Let's go. Good morning, Fayats. Market is opening. I'm quite very bearish, to be honest, because the daily chart is very. We took previous day's highs. Yes, here. And let's see what it wants to do. Does it wants to come back and close lower? I'm mostly bearish. Long only if we start to hold above yesterday highs and push above this level. If not, no trades, at least for me on that side. Yeah, guys, yesterday I could have done better. Really, I could have. I should. I'm really thinking about to stop trading gold and move to only NQ for like a month. Give it like a month of test. See how is my trading after a month without gold. Is it getting better? Is it do I trade less, but at least I don't take too many setups. I'm looking into that. So the daily chart right now is pushing there. We have two levels yesterday highs. We don't have that. It's, I mean, very bullish market, but I was bearish just because we've taken previous day's highs already. If we hold this level, yesterday highs, we have these highs here at 830. So below this, I'm bullish to get these highs and continue to the previous day's highs as well. If not, I'm gonna wait. That's the idea. So nothing really coming very quick. In gold, as well, we're bullish on daily candles. Well pushing right now. Previous day's candle here, it was not taken, so that's a key for my point. If I want to look for bullish situation, bullish continuation. If I look at the hour chart, I've taken a stupid short yesterday twice. This was a short I take twice, and I got stopped out. So I got stopped out somewhere here. But then right now the market looks like it wants to grab these highs, holding this level, you can see it, and continue higher. So I'm looking at which level is trying to do. Is this little low enough to push it for the highs? So is this closing here of for gold enough for this market to push higher? I'm gonna leave it and become today, but if we see these things coming back lower, I mean, it already grabbed it, so you see these things coming back lower and closing above, maybe I will be interested. But we already taken previous highs here. Definitely we're coming to take some lows, and we already did it. I'm gonna leave it there for a moment. You still doing NQ? Good morning. Yes, I'm here in NQ. It's very pushy. Yeah? I'm just not watching it just because it flew away. I didn't expect something like this at the start of the day, so I'm giving it the time to cool down, maybe give us something. But yeah, unexpected to see it something. I mean, not unexpected, but yeah, I was not that. I didn't expect something to fly 100 points above from the open. So it did it already there. Oh. The reversal is, yeah, these reversal here, crazy. Crazy. I didn't expect it. It's just all pre-market and now market open. The market opened here 3 minutes ago. Yeah, here, this candle. And honestly, if I was thinking to short, I will be honest, I was thinking to short. Did not happen, but I was really thinking to short. I'm a citizen of Paraguay. Yes, I have my residency here. I mean, I'm not a passport holder, but I'm a resident, not a citizen. I'm not a citizen. I'm a resident here. Oh my God. Oof. Wow. I'm looking at, oh my God, why does it gold wants to get me again in a trade? Guys, I'm thinking to do something to avoid gold for the next months, guys, for December. I'm thinking about avoiding gold for December. So right now it's telling me get in, stop loss here, stop, take profit there. 46, 5 contracts. Something like here. Okay, I'm gonna get in, guys. If it wants to get me in, I'll get in. Come on. And if this one goes like in a loss, okay. And this one goes in a loss, this is my last trade in gold for December. I'm not gonna take trade anymore in golds. If this one goes on a loss, I'm done in gold. Luckily, I even had better price entry. So I'm risking the $280 there. That's yeah. I'm not gonna trade gold anymore. If this one goes to stop out, I'm not gonna trade the gold anymore. I'm gonna leave it and don't touch it anymore. Let's see what it wants to do here around these levels. Thank you. Really pushy. That gold looks ugly as hell. This piece of crap. Come on. By the way, guys, I'm thinking about some accounts I have there that have been there for a long time, but you know, they are not in a good position, like account 55, account 54, and account, yeah, these accounts that are below by a lot, and it's been a long time they're a lot down. I'm thinking about to close them. And account 47. I'm thinking about to close them and start with a fresh balance because I have evaluation that I already passed, and paying $6 makes only sense instead of keeping them there fighting for nothing. That's what I'm thinking right now. So next trade, I will even go much more contracts with these accounts. Just now I forgot to put more contracts, to be honest. Gold, NQ. and you come into the same days highs. There is a little support compared to these highs. Good morning, good luck, thank you, Mufti. That's it, like right now, look at this. All the people that were long, they're getting destroyed. All the people that went long there are getting destroyed. If I see the next candle maybe coming back and closing above here, I might take a long. I got destroyed. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Daniele. I will be destroyed with you with the gold. Oh, look at that. Wow. Look at this, man. Wow. Yeah, this is the destroying plan. This is, I'm not gonna short until we're below this level. But this is already, it start to be interesting for shorts. You're down, you're a little bit down on the week is good, man. Calling it a day, Mufti, after you broke many rules, yes, I think it's a good idea. I think it's a good idea. Go call it. Be grateful that you're up and not super down or whatever. You were down 5. Yeah. Yeah, you better call it now then. You better call it. I missed two trade. Yeah. Small sides if you're scared. If the setup is there with the correct loss, take it with the take it maybe with smaller sides. Good morning, Mohammed. Yeah, but Daniele, we have sometimes week that they suck. We have to. Weekends are good, you know. Traders hate weekends, but weekends are good for us to reset. Like this week, it flew away for me because I worked so much, but it's good things for me. Look at that. Okay, baby. Okay, please get me to TP. Please get me to TP. How much is that? 375. Please get me to TP, baby. What's your position right now? Go long in gold. And I say to myself, if this one was gonna be a stop out, I will be like, I'm gonna call myself out from gold for December. But let's see. So I'm looking at it, but I'm still looking at gold at NQ as well because for me, right now there is no. To be honest, right now there is no entry for me. Nothing that makes sense. Literally, I would love to see this coming here, make these to make me think about like an entry. Then I will be like, yes. For the rest, I'm gonna leave it. Gold, I take it just because of that. You see it here. I have a level. And what we did, we pushed that, took this previous low, we closed higher, stop loss, take profit. That's why I've taken it. Hopefully it works. But at least the 15 minutes candle is gonna close nicely green right now. So this is gonna be helpful at least. At a nice read. Thank you, Jose. I waited for the top, then I shorted when I saw the candles danced in hesitation. Now long at 25,700. Let me see back to a gold, see where the heck you are. 27,500 here. So you're long right now there, and you shorted here. Amazing, man. Tops 25 just below. So I guess here. Good luck, my friend. 700 is a good level to go to play around. big round numbers are usually nicely working in NQ. 700, 800, 100, 200. All these 00 numbers are great. Even the 10. Good luck, my friend, for this long. 10 a.m. Red folder news. Come on, let me get to TP, and the news can then do whatever he wants to do. We have this trade running right now, guys. Yes, this stop loss and this take profit. And I've taken it with a better entry than the 3-minute candle here. So come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Your long is good. Your long, yes, for the moment it's looking good. Hopefully we can get TP. Hopefully, guys. I need a bottle of water. Come back. Hopefully it gets to TP. The trade is good. The trade is good. Even the 50-minute candle right now closed nicely green. Yes, just recovered almost all the pullback. So I'm expecting, I guess, to see the same in NQ. That's a nice push there in NQ. Wow. 8 days. 8 days, yes. 8 trading days. The 30% drawdown rule means that you have lost more than 30% of your balance in one trade in unrealized position. So how big is your account? Oh, TP, guys. It's getting there. I'm nice. Did I say just TP? Let's go, guys. TP. There was the next target, daily target here. If you wanted a little bit more. Guys, I did not go harder with the other accounts. I'm so dumb. I forgot. Let's go, guys. Whoa! Also, the other one would have hit. I would have give us how much more if I was a little bit more aggressive there. Freaking hell, $140 more. Wow, that would have been amazing TP. But let's go. Gold really made me dirty yesterday because of I was not the fault of gold. It was my fault. But let's freaking go. Let's freaking go. A beautiful trade. It was needed. So right now we're done with gold. Let's see M&Q if it was gonna show us something. But we're gonna close the day green for sure. Because no matter what, I'm not gonna lose $370 on a trade. So we're closing on Friday green. That's 100%. See how I am like relaxed to say this? Because the discipline I built in the last year and a half, I'm sure 100% I'm not gonna do bullshit things of taking more trades, even if the next one is a loss. That's what happens sometimes. You know, when we're like positive, I'm like, oh, I'm gonna give back $100. Then you lost it and you're like, oh, maybe you know what, I'm gonna do $100 more. No, I'm so relaxed that I can say 100% I'm gonna close green. It's not gonna happen for me that I'm gonna make more than that loss. But good recovery here. The only things I should have gone 3 more contract sites on this 150K account. Man, to be honest, guys, I'm thinking to go hard on them. Maybe not today, maybe Monday. But these accounts here, look at them: 55, 54, and what is the other one? It's an. Wait, where's the other one? 55, 54. I have another one. Here. It did not show up. and 47. So what happened is I will go hard on them on Monday. If they blow up, it's okay. But at least I have a valuation that I can convert for $6. For that means that if I blow them up for 6, 12, $18, I have free PAs that will start from the initial balance. Yes, I'm gonna do that. All the rest, no, because all of the rest you can see that are in a good balance. It's above 50,000. But these free, this one are close, it does not need. But these free are very far from to recover. I'm not, so it does not make sense for me. $18 to get $2,000 of drawdown. Do you agree? Do you agree, guys? Because usually I'm you know me. I don't like to spend. I don't like to spend for activations. You know me. These accounts have been there for a long time. I don't like to spend for activations. I didn't do it for $40, and $40 was a great activation. But $6, it's $6. It's totally worth it. I think it would be dummy for me to don't do it and get $2,000 of drawdown back that I can have for the payout. So Monday, I will take a trade with 5 times the size. You know what? I'm gonna do it now so I don't forget it. So I'm gonna go to the copier, trade copier, and I'm gonna say account. Did I say account 47? 47 will trade with 5 more contracts, 5 times the contracts I'm using there. Then account 50. 54 and 55. So account 54, 55, and 47 will use 5 times the contract of my main account. Oh, freaking hell. Okay, stop. Then I said 40, 50. I said 47, 55, 54. 47. I have to check 3 times because I have to check 55, 54. 47, 55, 54. Okay. Guys, look at this. What did I say? I'm gonna short only below this level. This level hold it so well that right now we're pushing. Mohammed took a long at 700. What a beautiful long there. Even if it's paper trading, you build confidence, and that's most important. Welcome back. Welcome back, everybody. Welcome to everybody here. We took a beautiful long in oh my god, gold. What are you doing, gold? You took a beautiful long in gold. Took a pre-market highs. There was this daily previous days highs here. It could have been a target. Gold right now it's not more interesting for me, but this was a beautiful trade in gold. $2,600. I should have. Oh my god! I should. Oh my god! If I went five times the size on this account, I would recover so much. That's good. It's the first step. Even if it's paper account, it's the first step. Keep learning, keep improving, and then when you start with PA funded account, you start with very small size, and then you get used to it. Guys, previous days highs here is my target of the day. 800s are here. What I'm looking for is this level right now to be used as a possible entry signal. So what I'm looking for is this to come back, push, come back, push, target, previous or 800 if it's already a good risk reward there. That's Jadia, that's Adia, la 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 la.
Oh, 5 minutes. 5 minutes. We're gonna close at 1 hour candle, and news will be out. Oh, that's gonna be interesting. We still have so much time to trade. We can get our second trade. Maybe get a nice $600 gain or $700 gain on the day. Now I'm gonna look at this level, guys. I'm happy to see it pushing, come back, grabbing, and try. Let's see what it wants to do. I'm happy to take a long if it's come back. Let's see what it wants to do. What does it wants to come back? I'm happy to go long, if it wants to pull back there. I'm happy to go long. Happy to go long here if it wants to pull back.
after this nice candle closing, yes. News is there. Oh, wow, that's news is pushing now. It is pushing. It is pushing a little bit. My previous target is still there. 800 are getting rejected. Let's see what wants to do. Let's get it pushing. Okay, we're ready. So first people there, they're gonna get stopped out. Let's see. Now that is the support I'm looking. That's it's looking. It's doing something. That makes it more interesting for me. Does it wants to come back? Come back and closing above. I will be happy to take a long, even if it's against the 800. But it's annoying that in ES it already took the previous day's highs. That's the annoying side. That's the annoying side. Why ES already took previous day's highs? Piece of crap. It already did it. It already did it in ES. It took already previous day's high. It sucks to see that. No loss has been taken there. Has been taken in Q contract. Yes, we are taking it in NQ contract. I don't like that. I want to see a little bit more. Oh, a battle. Yeah, guys, it's a Friday. Friday seems like a strange day for me today, to be honest. I'm happy. I'm happily up on the day, so that's good. I'm happily up on the week. So let's load TradeZella. I'm gonna show you TradeZella. I show you. Let's show you my week of trading. Let's go. Let's do it. I'm gonna load the data. Account 56 is the account I use. Now I'm gonna load. It's unfortunately it's pushing. I wish we come back, but it's okay. Yeah, right. Wait, let's go check that, because you're totally right. You're totally right on that, man. Friday is usually red for me. What is this week? This week for me is the 12. It's 1 December, and then I have to export today. Recent orders. Export to 5th December. Okay. Nice. Now I go to TradeZella and I load the data. Let me just show you everything. There's a that's the now I want to show you. Yes, this one. So for example, I'm gonna load the data. But it just wants to do it, and I'm gonna what? Where did I? Oh, I put them in the wrong folder. I knew it. I do it often. So first, and then second. And this is my month. Oh my God, what the heck is this pullback again? Not so. Wait. Now, waiting for a slot in the queue? What the heck? Just slot the shit data. This is the data still not loaded because this is the new month. Come on. Is TradeZella that bad? Pushing. Was this then? This was. I mean, no. Yeah, no entry for me at all. Even this candle in NQ came and pushed, but look at this 3-minute candle. Unfortunately, no D at all to get. Yeah, I'm still speaking with the. I'm waiting for this TradeZella to load. Okay, it did it, but not Friday. What the heck? What? Friday. Upload. Man, come on, TradeZella. And the funny things, guys, is that the losses I've taken this week were all avoidable. That's what makes me angry. Go away. Go away. Oh my God. Go away, Daniel. Take it. Go away. Why you're me? No, it's you don't have to disappoint yourself. Don't be hard on yourself. You just put yourself down than you should. We are the worst enemy. You know who's the worst enemy? Yourself. Just because you hit yourself like that. Tuck, tuck, tuck. But what we have to realize, okay, instead of hitting yourself, try to understand yourself. That's the difference that will make you a great trader in life. Why you hate yourself? Because of doing something. You're human. Emotions come from reasons. Problems come for a reason. Why these emotions, why this block came? If you learn the reason why you do something, you're gonna fix it. Hating yourself of doing a mistakes, especially in trading, does not help. It's just making you worse. But instead, look at yourself and say, why did I see the trade? Why did I did not enter? Why I got emotional? Is it because I already lost too much on the day? Is it because the last week were unprofitable, so I don't trust the edge anymore? Should I reduce my sides to trust again the edge until I go back? This is what you should do. Don't hate yourself. It's useless as hell. You're unproductive like that. But instead, understand yourself. We're human. And as much as we think our body, our brain, trust me, we don't know shit about our body, our brain. And we have to learn every time and understand ourselves. We have to learn ourselves. We have to discover ourselves. We have to, because as much as we are old, we are 30, 40, 20 years old, whatever age we are, we think we know ourselves. We don't. And we have to go through this process of learning ourselves. Yeah, why you have to go you have to say like now, why did I hesitate? Did I risk did I was I risking too much? Was I did not trust the edge? Write it down. Why I hesitate? What was the emotion came? Every emotion comes from fear, the negative at least. Why I had fear of taking this trade? So for you it matters. What do you mean? So why does it matters that much for you on that way? Because you need money. So losing this money will be brutal against your brain or against your financial personal finance. Yeah. Also, something that I agree with Mufti is what I'm trying to be good at right now, because missing trades, it's totally normal. Of course, we can be. You know. Okay, it was a good setup. I could have taken it. Okay, let's do next time an improvement on the direction. But missing trades for me is better than taking shitty trades, and that's what I'm doing. Look, my loss of this week, shitty trade. This was a really shitty trade. I should have not taken it. Yesterday was okay trade. I handled it. I lost, and then I took it again. Lost again $260, making it. I lost trades. I lost money just because I rushed on taking trades. When if I would avoid it, I could have seen all green this week, and who knows? I could have seen payout. Should I punch myself? Yeah, I mean, yeah, but okay. I say to myself, why did I rush that trade here yesterday? I had all time, and if I'm not sure 100%, don't take the trade. I'm like, you see, I'm like in deposit. I'm like, I take the trades. I should not take the trade. Yeah, yeah. For me, look, I'm reducing my number of trades, and probably, guys, in 1 month, by keep improving, you're gonna see me take 3 trades per week. 3 trades per week, and probably I will miss so many trades. Maybe I will miss one trade on Monday, on Tuesday, and take one trade that I really like, A++ setup, and I take it on Wednesday, and I miss Thursday, and I go Friday. Missing is normal. I think, Daniel, how much is the size you're risking? How much are you risking there? By the way, look at this trade expectancy. Every time I take a trade, the expectancy is I make $7 from it. But it's but something I have to say. Since my last improvement, guys, on the right here, you see how the P&L my trades of last month were very small, and right now they're getting bigger. I'm improving on holding to take profit. So this is the difference of me. I hold to take profit. I don't count my trades anymore. I hold to take profit. And I think this is like a big key here. Like today, I could have held it for the next day, previous day's highs, but the target was perfect. So this is like what's making big change on my P&L. Nice bounce and recovering. Making the week, by the way, I don't know if you can see the number, but I'm up $636. I don't understand. Guys, you know how to change this color here? I don't know how to change this color. It does not show it on a white screen. If you can tell me how to change this color here, look at that, it's white. Hello, Kelvin. 1 mini or 5 macros. Okay. Okay, how much you're gonna lose on a trade? Let me change my question right now. And how much you want to lose on a trade? And which sites of account do you have? Yeah, black team is gonna fix it, but I don't understand why the white team is not good. Because now $656 is there. Beautiful, guys. Beauty. I'm very happy, guys. This week made 650. I could have done more. Remove the loss. Like for example, yesterday. Oh my god. Let me go back to these things. Yesterday, I'm pissed with myself because I was like, be patient, be patient, be patient, be patient, be patient, be patient. Your trade is gonna come. So what happened is that at NQ trade came. It came low. We never had anything. I like still the lows here to continue lower. Anything could have happened. And look at this level. This level was created. Came, boom. Previous people shorting, getting stopped out. Boom, short. How much I could have risked there? 7 contracts. Because I don't risk more than $300. Okay, $280. Make it even a little bit more worse entry. 200, yeah, whatever. $300. Aiming for the lows, $483. So now think about that. That's sometimes what kicks me in my head. These things, remove $444, make $500 of profit. I'm in payout. I'm literally in payout for 1 day. One stupid day where I taken a loss when I should have not taken a trade. It was payout. just because, I mean, but this is if and if and if and if, so I cannot hate myself on that. But what can I do is improve the next time. But freaking hell, this is a day where is traded shit can make so much change on your P&L. But Daniel, how much you want to risk on a trade? Dollars amount. That's for me is more important. For example, for me, contracts, I change every time. You see me every time I go up and down with the contracts. Why? Because for me, is $300 is my risk. And then I calculate, for example, let's say if this trade is my candle, and I'm like, okay, this is my stop loss, and this is my take profit. How much I'm risking there? Oof, $93 per contract. That means I want to go for free micros, and I'm risking $282, and aiming to make 450. That's how I do with risk management. I don't go with fixed contracts because the candles differs. Candle differ too much day by day. So a dollar amount is the way to do it. Let's say I said to myself, I'm gonna go long here because it holds a support or whatever reasons. This is my risk. Okay, $300 with free contracts. Perfect. How much I'm aiming? $400. Great. With more than 1-to-1. But if I'm like aiming for this little candle, how much is that low? $50. So this is, I have to go with 6 contracts. So I'm gonna go for 6 contracts. I have $315 or 5 contracts if I don't want to really go above 300 and aim for whatever I want to aim. How much you're risking, Daniel, on dollars? How much you want to risk in dollars? Sorry. By the way, freaking hell, I was speaking without showing you. What I meant here, I'm gonna repeat it again, is for me, don't base yourself on contracts. Base yourself on dollar amount. So, for example, let's say I think I want to take long here because this candle closed nicely bullish, and this is my stop loss. This is an example. And I'm like, okay, I want to trade with one micro, and I look, but wait, this is $98. So if I go free contracts, I'm gonna have my loss of the trade that I care is $300. Perfect. I'll take the trade with free contracts. Let me see. Where did you say? Where did you say it? Where did you send it? Kelvin sent it in the. Kelvin had a nice day there, trading MNQ and gold. Nice trades there. How much you're up? $228. So you started with some loss and then you recovered, or what? What the heck is that? No. It's the next day here because you show all the history. No. I see that. Yeah, no, you traded only. I know. You took a micro. You took a long maybe in gold. Maybe you took my same trade. No, you took a short. Yeah, you took a long. Maybe you took my same trade. 61.8. Yeah, almost my same trade. You went long here. You got out here, but I went long for up to 70. What is the Daniel? Where did you send the things in Discord? I don't see your message. Where do you... Daniel, you're not verified. That's why you have to verify yourself. Why people don't verify themselves in Discord? I'm gonna verify you personally, and you can use the other chat. Now you're gonna see day trading chat. You're gonna speak with everyone. Why people don't verify themselves? You were doing amazing. You have such a beautiful green wicks there. But you lost your mind this on Tuesday. I see that now. Yeah, but you know what is okay? Let's think about you're an alcoholic, Daniel. You're an alcoholic, and you decide to stop drinking. Okay? You're like, I'm gonna stop drinking forever. I'm not gonna break these. Stop drinking alcohol. You do 1 day, you 2 days, you do 3 days, you do 4 days, you do 5 days, you do 6 days, you do 7 days, you do 8 days, you do 9 days, you do 10 days, you do 11 days. You got to 15 days, 17 days, you got 20 days. You go out with your friends, and your friends tell you, let's go, Daniel, come on, 1 drink is not gonna change you anything. And then you're like hesitating, but then you're like, okay, I'm gonna have a drink. What happened there, Daniel, is that you blew up all your 20 days of consistency, not drinking, respecting your rules and self. And by 1 day, many times we think that breaking rules, it's just a 1 day things, but instead you're putting in the trash weeks or months of work. So the same applies for trading. You have max loss rules, you have rules to protect you. When you're there to think about breaking one rule, just look at the past and look at how many days you're gonna fuck up just because you decided to don't respect it on that day. That's the piece. And guys, I always say this to people, red day are hard, and I will tell you again the reasons why red days are hard to respect. A green day give you quick gratification. My God, I made money, I'm gonna share it with everyone. I made money today, I made money today, I made money today. Today I took a beautiful trade, today I took a beautiful trade, I made money today. I made money today. A red day, respected, does not give you gratification. It's a red day. It's you're losing. You're not gonna share it. It's there inside you. It hurts. You're like, oh, I wanna see green. But a red day respected give you late gratification, and it's the best gratification ever. Better than a green day. Why? Monday you lost money, but you respected your rules. Tuesday you trade, Wednesday you trade, Thursday you have a beautiful day, and you're like, you know what you're gonna say? Thanks God, on Monday I respected my rules. Oh my God, thanks God, Ansa, you were disciplined on Monday and you respected your rules. The loss was not over my max loss. I recovered everything and I'm back in green. That's the difference between a green day and a red day. And a red day that is respected and has max loss and you respect the rules has the gratification that comes after. And that's why it's hard to accept. But when you accept it on the same day, it's hard. On the second day, you're like, yeah, man, I did good yesterday. I did good. So you have to, guys, be on that field. You have to be on that field of like respect the right day and be like, this is gonna pay me the next days. I'm gonna be happy about this on the next days. I'm gonna be, for example, on Tuesday, Daniel, where you were there to blow up and you were on your max loss. Respect it. You can have freaking 10 days consecutive of red days. You can have that. It's gonna happen. Maybe it's gonna happen. It's gonna happen again. It's gonna happen. Even if you're gonna become the best profitable trader, there are people that are transparent on their trading journal and they're big traders. They have a month red. They're like, oh, yeah, man, I lost $1 million this month. I'm negative $1 million, but I have to accept it. I did my job. I can improve. That's it. You're gonna have this no matter what. So accept them now. Accept them now because the trader you want to be, in 1 or 2 years or 3 years, that trader you want to be, guys, look at him and look at what characteristic he has. And then one of the characteristic has the trader you want to be is that the trader that respects the losses and rules. So what are you waiting for? Take that characteristic and put it on yourself right now, so that these things of you seeing yourself being a profitable trader is going to happen. Just now thinking about that. Just stop playing games. Stop looking at around. Stop. Take this characteristic and put them on yourself. Be the trader you want to be right now. Okay, I love to speak about these things, guys. So I can get a little bit emotional just to tell you these things. Yeah. The best feeling is having, you know, that you have an account the next day. 9K trade by, I mean, trade one, that's great, man. And 150K account are not easy to pass. And really, don't hate yourself. Don't hate yourself. It does not give you anything good, but work on yourself. Okay, because that's the problem many unprofitable traders have. They don't work on themselves. They don't learn. They don't apply. They don't keep improving themselves. Because trading is a fight with yourself, not a fight with the market. The market is there. It's gonna beat you up no matter what, so many times in your life. But it's difficult. But look at me. Jose is here. Last year and a half ago, we were trading together. Man, I was breaking rules every week. I was breaking rules every week. And I was telling him, oh man, I'm gonna do this. And Jose was telling me, don't do that. Jose was telling me, don't do that. Don't do that. And I was breaking rules. And then I start to be like, to play the statistic mindset. Okay, a red day is normal. And luckily I got a job. This made me a big difference, guys. I got a job, so money were not anymore a crucial things for me. And I was like, okay, I'm gonna respect it. And then I do it once, twice, 3 times, 20 days, 30 days, 40 days, 50 days, hundreds of days pass, and I'm like, it's normal. For me, it's normal now to respect a loss. I'm not gonna go over max loss. Impossible. I'm so relaxed that it's not gonna happen because I have the discipline. Discipline is inside my blood. Because it's not easy the first time. You're gonna shake. You wanna do it, break them. Then it becomes a little bit easier the second time, a little bit easier the third time, a little bit easier the fourth time, a little bit easier the fifth time. And after 20, 30, 40, 50 days, you're respecting your rules. It becomes normality. And that's the key. People blow up accounts online, guys. People blow up accounts every day, every week. And every time I tell them, how the heck? Look, my accounts have 140 days of trading. 140 days. I'm gonna show you my accounts, guys. And the funny thing is, I want to blow 3 of them because it's cost me less to start new right now. But I'm gonna log in. I need my 2-factor authentication. I almost said my PIN. So this is my PA. 133 days, 131 days, 130 days, 130 days, 126 days, 126, 126, 125, 90, 67. Do I get payout? Did I get a payout from one of these accounts? No. I didn't get any payout. It sucks. And people will come here in the chart and say, 130 days and not even a payout. Yeah, I'm more unprofitable than you. These people, I will be like, yes, I'm profitable. You're not. Because what? Because I respect myself. I respect rules. I don't blow up accounts. My expenses are so low. I literally spent less than $3,500 on expense this year just because I don't blow up accounts. But I know that if I correct these things, I correct these things, and I'm getting improved without putting heavy pressure on me of spending money, these accounts will go to payout. I mean, right now I have as well this account will go to after today is 1,500, 1,600, 1,600, 1,600, 1,000, almost 1,000, almost 1,900. Step by step, it will come back. I will get to payouts, guys. It's gonna happen, and it's gonna happen without me burning money. So don't you say? Yeah, man. Wifey money. That's it, guys. I'm gonna leave right now. I hope you had a great, guys, day. No matter what, just keep improving and learning. Have a beautiful weekend. Spend time with your family, with your friends. Take care of yourself. I just noticed that I was not in MNQ, by the way. Oh, I have to go. Goodbye. I have to go. I forgot I have a meeting.